My God. Merry Christmas. 2020 was not my year. That's cute. Up here. Ollie, look. What's that? Oh, this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hi. Mayan. Mayan. No, not today. Clearly we need to turn dryer off. Anyways, I am looking rough. Hair not looking the best. Earrings though, so cute. I need to shower, do my makeup, do my hair, and get ready for motherfucking Christmas. Okay, anyway, so I will do a bit of a transition here, and I'm gonna hop in the shower, and you guys will see me when I'm out of the shower. Bye. I'm back. Okay, anyways, so I was going to do my makeup and do my hair right now, but because of the fact that my food is 8 minutes away because I ordered Denny's,
I am gonna go eat.
so let's go downstairs and eat. Oliver! Ollie! This looks like my omelet. If you're wondering where I'm sitting on a staircase because my sister has no seating. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Now that. Let's try this steak omelet. Look at this. This is a steak cheese omelet. It's good, but I wish that the egg was cooked longer. A bit more crispier, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'll see you guys upstairs to do my makeup and hair. So, see you later.
Morning. Merry Christmas.
Ah, you're so cute. Love you. Bye. Hi guys, so yeah, we're in my sister's house, by the way, if you're wondering where I am. I'm spending Christmas here. And yeah, now we're going to do my makeup. Also, I apologize for the lighting. I think it's kind of good actually. She has very good lighting. But I have my makeup. I already showered, as you guys can see. Now to make me look all festive AF. So let's I also got this makeup bag just recently, but marble. We got my makeup. Let's see what we will do. So we are going to start off with my beautiful primer and prime up the face. How's your guys' Christmas this year? I feel like my Christmas has been different because usually like I spend it with my family and I don't know, it's really weird. Like usually I'm spending Christmas with my mom right now and stuff, so definitely different. And right now I'm at my sister's. Let's put my hair in a ponytail and then I'm gonna time lapse me doing my makeup. Guys, I'm just in a really good mood these days. Okay, this is too tight on my hair. That did not work as planned. Let's use my sister's scrunchie that I just got her for Christmas. That's kind of rude, but like whatever. Oh, it's cute. Okay, let's time lapse me doing my makeup. Christmas. Okay, so makeup is done. Okay, I'm looking kind of cute. Whoa. Anyway, so I'm wearing like this t-shirt dress thing, but didn't turn out the way I was hoping it would look. So that's a bit disappointing. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of grips weird here. And it's almost a bit too big on me. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this on or change, but this is my jacket. Both these pieces are from Shein. And it's kind of cute. And now we're back to me. But yeah, it's kind of cute. I don't know if I'm really vibing it, but I kind of dig it. I don't know. I'm feeling a bit like not as confident in it. It's kind of hard because I'm at my sister's house, so I can't go home and get a new outfit because I'm all the way at my sister's house. And yeah, so I'm a bit annoyed about that, but I don't know if I'm gonna straighten my hair or just leave it a bit wavy. But yeah, this is kind of the fit for right now. I guess we'll see if I change. But yeah, I just did like a super natural purple makeup. Looks super adorable. I will see you guys do super natural. I don't really like outgoing, and natural is the only way I like it. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Guys, I'm just in a really good mood these days. Okay. A bitch literally just cried her makeup away, and 2020 was not my year, and it was supposed to be because I didn't buy it, but I was renting my first apartment at 18. Literally last year, I went and got my first apartment, and now I'm basically 19, and it hasn't been my year. Let's just say I'm crying a lot, as you can tell. 2021, I'm determined no matter what to make it my fucking year. So I am going to just get get through this. I have been crying all morning. I did my makeup, I looked so good, and then I cried. Like, do I know why I cried? No. I have just been an emotional wreck for the last like 2 months. That's okay, because we are going to take off our makeup and we are going to start fresh and just do it again, because today will be a successful day. No matter how much I cry, no matter how much I'm upset, we will make today a successful AF day. And you know what else is exciting about today is yesterday I just went and got some new makeup, and the makeup I got was this Peach Perfect foundation. I've been wanting to try it forever because Alicia Marie has it. And yes, I am influenced by YouTubers all the time. And then I got the Rare Beauty palette, which is just so cute. I was like wearing it earlier, but it is just so freaking cute. But yeah, so today will be great because I'm going to wear my new makeup. I'm gonna look freaking perfect. I'm gonna look gorgeous. I'm gonna look awesome. Okay, I am done my makeup. I was going to vlog doing it and stuff, but my camera died, so it just charged up a bit and I'm finished. This is my second take on doing my makeup, but I'm thinking of making lunch, so let's bring you guys to do that. So I was supposed to clean up my kitchen last night, but I didn't, so I think that I'm gonna quickly tidy up the kitchen. It's not like too bad, like the counters just need wiped down a bit, and then I have like a couple dishes in the sink. I already did most of them, and I just need to wipe down all the counters and stuff because it is a bit dirty. So let's quickly do that. I'm trying to decide what I want for lunch. I'm thinking something to do with like sweet potatoes because I'm really feeling that. Maybe some like carrots that are like grilled or something. I don't know. I'm really hungry though. Like that's what I'm trying to think. Maybe I'll do a protein bowl. I could go for a protein bowl. Let's do a protein bowl. Okay, so we have some organic sweet potatoes. I'm just going to cut up a small sweet potato. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna add some oil to this, just a little bit, just to cook it up, and some seasoning, and this will be my kind of filler for the food. I'm gonna add some snap peas too, because I think that'll be really good. Just a couple in there to fill her up. This is my oil I use. I'm gonna add 3 different seasonings. I have garlic powder, onion powder, and curry. And then just a little bit of seasoning salt, and then a shit ton of pepper. And then yes, this is gross, but I'm going to use my hands to mix it. So I just added some spinach and some onions in there. Guys, I'm doing this really annoying thing where I think I'm recording, but then I'm not, and I have to freaking say everything I just said. Point is, I need to do part 2 of my bowl, and we're going to try this riced veggie cauliflower. It's like rice, but it's cauliflower. It's pretty much like the United States version of Trader Joe's cauliflower rice. So we're gonna try this, and yeah, let's see how that turns out. I've never had this before. I'm a bit nervous, but kind of excited. Looks like rice. Like if you look in it, it looks like rice. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna make like quite a bit. I don't know if you can see this, but there's 20 calories per 3/4 of a cup, which is really freaking good for rice being like 1,000,000 calories. Okay, I am just going to shove this in the microwave for like 3 minutes. 3 minutes on the clock. Let's go ahead and grab these. Oh my goodness, they smell delicious. Look at that. They smell amazing. Like it just looks so good. It smells so good. Like, oh my goodness. This is exactly what I wanted. This is gonna be so filling. The cauliflower rice actually looks really good. I'm just gonna add some pepper because I feel like that will make it a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm just going to put all the ingredients kind of into like a platter. So I'm gonna put like a little bit of salad on one side. We want lots of salad because yummy. We're gonna take the cauliflower rice. I do just wanna measure my rice because I am doing nutrition. So I have half a cup here. I kind of want to do, that's like 1, so I'm going to put half. I pretty much say this all together was like 1 cup of rice. Now we're going to add some of this mixture right here onto the last section of the plate. And yeah, this is kind of what I have going. So this is kind of what I have going on right now. We have just some lettuce. We have the mixture that I made earlier. It looks so good. And then we just have the cauliflower rice. So I was going to add some meat in this dish because I do actually need a lot of protein. However, I didn't have any meat that was like thawed, which reminds me, I should probably take out some meat for the week because I keep wanting to cook up something and then I don't have meat and it's like super annoying. So I think I'm actually just gonna take out some beef, which I'm actually not really supposed to be eating, but like a girl wants it. And yeah, and I also kind of want to get a bit of a sauce going on for my lettuce, but I kind of want it to be a bit more healthier than just saucing on some ranch. I think I'm gonna do salsa. Salsa is not the best option to put on your food, but it's a bit more healthier. It actually doesn't have that many calories. 1/4 of a cup, 60 mils, is 25 calories for salsa. And honestly, salsa is like a super delicious mixture with this type of food. But I'm just gonna dribble some in the center here. Just a little bit, you know, not the prettiest meal, but I promise you guys, it tastes so good. And you guys have got to eat this, cause oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, let's try the cauliflower rice because I'm super excited to see how this tastes. I'm just gonna do it plain. It's definitely not rice, but it's actually pretty good. With the salsa, it tastes so good. Even alone, it tastes really good. I just feel like if I fried it, it would taste better, you know? But like this is pretty freaking good. Now let's try my sweet potato. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. My god, you guys have no idea. This is literally to die for. I love sweet potatoes. Just cooked vegetables in general are so good. I love spinach, and this cooked spinach, it's literally so crispy and so good. I could eat spinach plain, like I could just take a handful and eat it, but like this hits different. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna eat my lunch and I will see you guys later. Who knows when. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to hop on and say thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps me out so much. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video because it was super fun to film it. Anyways, I really love these cozy styled vlogs. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And of course, happy holidays. Comment below what you guys did for your holidays. And yeah, bye guys.